Hello, I'm Chris from Hinton the Trail, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and install your TireMinder i10 tire pressure monitoring system. The first step is going to be installing your signal booster. The signal booster was built not only to increase the signal strength, but also to decrease interference, so it's critical that this is installed. For motorhomes and coaches, the booster should be placed on the undercarriage and as close to the rear axle as possible. For trailers and fifth wheels, place it near the front of the trailer on the exterior near the kingpin or the undercarriage. Once you have a good location, connect the red and black wires to a 12 volt or 24 volt power source. For most vehicles, the best way to do this is to actually connect it directly to the battery. You'll see a green light come on once it's properly connected to a power source. The next step will be installing batteries in your transmitters. You must install the batteries in the transmitters prior to placing the transmitters on the tires. A full set of batteries comes with your i10 kit. To install the batteries, you simply unscrew the transmitter cap, place a battery inside, and place the cap back on. Once the batteries are installed, you'll then turn the monitor on by simply pressing the center button. The unit will automatically be in monitoring mode. Note, the unit must be in monitoring mode in order to receive alerts. The next step will be adding the transmitters to the tires one at a time and learning them in the monitor. Press and hold the left and right buttons on the monitor for 5 seconds until you hear a beep and see an L in the center of the display. Use the left and right buttons to select the desired tire position that correlates to the physical location you want to monitor. Once you're at the position on the monitor, you'll first attach the lock nut on the valve stem. Then you'll attach the transmitter to the tire stem. The monitor will receive a signal within 15 seconds. You'll hear a beep and see the current PSI. Next, use the lock nut tool to tighten the lock nut in position. Then you'll move to the next desired tire position on the monitor and attach another transmitter to the corresponding tire. Repeat these steps until all transmitters are attached and learned on the monitor. You'll then exit learning mode by holding the left and right buttons for 5 seconds. This will return you to monitoring mode. The next step will be setting your baseline tire pressures in the monitor. For monitoring mode, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a single beep and see PSI flashing in the top left corner. You can toggle between PSI and barometric pressure by using the left and right buttons. Then press and release the center button. You can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius by pressing the left or right buttons. Once you've selected your desired unit of measure, press and release the center button. The first tire position will appear. Press the left or right button to change the PSI to the desired amount. The PSI should be set to the cold PSI recommended by the tire manufacturer. This can be found on the sidewall of your tire. Press the center button to confirm the PSI and move to the next tire position. Once you've updated all positions, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds to return to monitoring mode. And that's it. You've just installed and set up your TireMinder i10 tire pressure monitoring system.